Howdy everyone, it's Montana Airgunner here again, and on this video I'm gonna show you guys how to install the Saber Tactical's ARCA rail Gen 2, so stay tuned. Okay, so we got this nice little goodie. It's a FX Impact ARCA rail, and this is the longer version, so standard to my understanding, not the compact. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna install it so we can do an unboxing video at the same time. It's really easy to open. Then you have the goodie part there. There it is. And then there's an extended dust cap for the fill port. There you have it. So yeah, we need one tool, 2mm Allen key. Next, what we're gonna check is that it's uncocked and the gun is on safe. We don't have to touch to any of the air side, so we should be good without degassing it. So then we have the old dust cover here. Just gonna put it to the side, take the Allen key, and then start unscrewing these screws. They're a bit tight, but nothing too out of the ordinary. You hear a little click there, and there we have it. So now we can just unscrew these ones. So there's 4 screws in total. It's a pretty self-explanatory thing. And then it just comes off like this. And next we're gonna take this one and put it on its place a little bit, just to like see how it's sitting there. Okay, it looks pretty nice. And we're gonna take one screw and just start to thread it in, so that it just keeps it in place. And then we're just gonna start to tighten it up little by little. Okay, now it should be. Just put it enough that it doesn't wobble there or anything like that. Alrighty. Okay, so now we got everything pretty much in like pre-tightened, but not too much, I would say. Then we're gonna test that the dust cover goes in there nicely. It does. So let's do a cross pattern on the tightening. And little by little, okay. Now it should be pretty nicely snugged. I mean, you don't have to use a lot of force. This is just 2mm Allen keys, and there you have it. Now we're just gonna put the cap on, and there you go. Doesn't that look nice? Whew! Oh my goodness. Sweet! It looks badass. Yeah, gonna take a few pictures of that baby so you can see it in action now. There you have it. So yeah, this was a pretty self-explanatory short video. And there you have it. Now it's installed. We can put this one as a spare part somewhere with the dust cap in case we lose the dust cap or something. I hope I don't. And yeah, there you have it. And let's see you on the next video.